The Nilight D3S HID bulb delivers impressive performance with its striking 6000K diamond white light output, providing a crisp and clear illumination ideal for night driving. Designed specifically for use as a headlight bulb, it enhances visibility and adds a modern touch to your vehicle's exterior. With a voltage of 12 volts, the bulb is easy to install and fits seamlessly into most vehicles that require D3S replacements. Weighing in at just 8.8 ounces and having compact dimensions of 445 x 421 x 272 inches, it is both lightweight and space efficient, making it a convenient option for automotive enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Known for its extended operational life of approximately 3,000 hours, the Nilight D3S HID bulb not only outlasts traditional bulbs but also provides consistent performance throughout its lifespan. This durability is a significant advantage for those looking to minimize replacement frequency. Its combination of performance,